Julie. Oh, someone comes on Juksa. Julie to everyone. I hope everybody's fine as usual. I think the first person to join was Kevin. Hello Kevin, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Yeah, you'll put some the niche matala das be yulpa man bayang suizik sadna. Oh, the nitsamala Julie, welcome back. Yeah, jutinita dang o nishurma sezang the niche singiswe shot pujik pultin orju the nanya punyapo soshik pulpin yeah the nita chik dring dang kush kabrijik juna nyunjik mari yul chishot yoman the nishamangiska izukchilo containment zone zero pale pura quarantine ju support no pa pura betok tene dang order bing tok tene ta teo yang o semba tache sen na tsu shirak chusho da yul yomona shamangiska quarantine beches po tsama gel chante tong ni yul pagon ante parik maran chusho pajin pasang tene serka yarak yul kajia chede chinkora tachi ladas pen gane jesa ladas gampi pe yono tina tachi gulpa son pasangari gulpa yokma shama goma tene tsamjik tena goma ta chinang miski mi juk senok chipana pa miska juk senok son pasang tsamala tsamji obgel tong I quarantine jeste lockdown jeste tsamji nakso kagale inna tsamir tsundu zate juks o ya tene chik ta dang quarantine bo mekan senok zeruk odro binkyar zeruk tene tsamala ezuk chide chen ye muslim tene achuno no hatani chide chentaji o achuno mo o ya jamani tena tsosla buddhist o tene buddhist mi tsangala family tsangala ilba tsangala tene jik mubumbarek congratulations le tayang atanse khoshar tarung zat ko shisino zumo ata mi bel yu zumo janko tantanjik miruk pale yang chingata mi kes kashik bing na yang tsikas pochati duk sombasang tsamatarong hoshia zat justingi mari yulpa tsamala juain chishit pa tsamala juain ladas pa tsamala juain then tilchik. So anyway, what I was saying was that yesterday, my own village, my own village, my personal village, so it was under quarantine for quite a long time, actually, that whole area, because there were some cases. So obviously it had to be put under quarantine, which was the right step. And now, it has been lifted yesterday. So there were no cases for quite a few days, for more than a month. So it was lifted yesterday. So I was just congratulating my fellow villagers, because my village, it is a mixture of Buddhist and Muslims. We have been living together for generations, I don't know, I'm sure some of you don't know, but my neighbors, they're all Muslims. To the right, it's a Muslim family. To the left is a Muslim family. And to the front, there's a Buddhist and also a Muslim. In the back also, around. So it's like we've been living for centuries, and it's such a nice place to live, such a peaceful place. We respect each other and we share each other's happiness and suffering. So yeah, and I'm just glad that all my Muslim brothers and sisters, Buddhist brothers and sisters, now they are out of quarantine, and the whole zone has been designated decontaminated. It's like I think containment has been lifted. So yeah, it was just a happy news yesterday, and I was just requesting everyone to please be careful whether you are in Ladakh or wherever it is, because this virus is quite infectious, and there are a lot of infections coming up in India. I think now they're going to put Chennai, southern India city, under lockdown, like a very strict lockdown, because the cases are literally exploding. So I think we still have to exercise caution, all of us, wherever we are. And one troubling thing, that's a Zumis Kolayang chick, Serkan is a spirit to get it. Dijana sort of Sorian Driang, Chidich news and Silpin, Guardian The Guardian intigot, New York Times and Guardian in China intigot. Teomuldu pole, you doctor scientist gune chik izumo yon testing ne, zumo gel testing ne, tarumata ichi chin chik I zumo vishasti ngati loa lang songchimana kawa ngata oxygen anukle. Loa gun permanent ngata damage anuk zirukle. Padle pia mani koran naksha koran gyure tsosla. Tisu course sopo chanuklole, mani rulkan tsosla chimana. Tisam ko asar chokya lole. Dembe korang guardian ina intikyo disitu pa komunistik ni chik mi kunla alta chik hospital na luste teni izumo yongste testini teni komuni chik autopsy choste chik stakche choachina yongchimana pura demo choste pura pingsi stachina mani korang gyurti miruksana rulti yongchimana chik mani korang ezushik korang shep korang gyurti duksana kule tesam noda kyak I daksa coronavirus butsik pele ati loa zuksboguna yele sombasan teo chik ngatan samayang zumo gusnang temshi ngata zumo yongzane temshi ngata zumo mayongnang anchimana ibuzik bu gustisini ngata zumo temshi mayongnang istingni ngati mise luzgos lushasino teni ngati zukspo atsikshkyon mampo kyankirele tepiya chik juju tsangmeyan teo samamazat ki izume chang shamanong sushini shiya miruk mani shita shiya miruk te mampo shikta shiya miruk te mortality rate zano pali mitsamshi shiruk zikanbo shita mampo shiya miruk te innang kustingni ngata permanent ngati loa gunla damage hanok lole kidney zoshi ngata yang khaaju khalma zori na ko chigmenta mi dumya no gale loa ina ngata na mina oxygen jispo loe jaste ngata tene oxygen tero pokochi tupuzile zoshi no pole tene tupuzile koran mane koran ezuk chidi chen koran jik chakan zoshi yale tekchu cha no zete din nisina deja ma sorda sor de dinya nisina ko disi dugle ni pura ezuka asale ni pura stasmin no ya tene to is bachilo in English, yeah? So I was just saying that, I was just saying that please remove all haters. I mean, I'm not ping, no. Something in blockchain, I can down the Zirkan Mampuano, Kashigi, Simbatadano, Kashigi, Simbatadamano, Mana, Lamajigin, and down the Zirkan, Rigayono. Tenen atanchik savela maguna zirkan minda yond tenen ajang je zirkan minda yono chik online sombason misu na yong choteno tenen profile book tenen public no zirkan mapu yono le tenen kashigini ko chik lamaguna ko chik matat kanishaste lama zikan butul ku zikan matat kanishaste ko mi kashigi minda zirano le tenen kashigini chik ma personally matat kanishaste mil dongbo matat kanishaste mana mi tsulbo matat kanishaste mi personality mi mentality mi spiratanzo mi las chozo tegun chik chidichin matatgani jaste tene chik zirkan mampu yonokle tako blockchain namnam blockchain le samsam blockchain le tezu tako blockchain ko sachis me kyakle so basanchi nan tako tik chabu zirkan yonok ta zotpa gomgo sanok ina chidichin tayang mampu nya dringdina tene buli mampu chendena yang ata expose chon tik chanokle so yon shuna nya puman pa lemon nya pata expose chospa koran chik samba yongches buli mampu jete upata yuti mirupa ki koi buli choste inzikan bole aso nyadus kan pa nyadus gona te upata yuti miruki koi nyadus inzikan bole koi jaste teni miji ga samji no dat zakan upata yuti mirupa le ta nga choshi ko shimi no chik chin koran tamshi nga personally chance to manokle mana inang I tachidichin ata junugunla marante nakhstono pale sukul gun sokshigindo hostel gun sokshigindo te sukul na hostel manpang ata institution manpujina office jigina indo karaina mana bullying mane chendo anokle chik nyadwen tukches teong mi kamzor mi chun yongchmana skampot teguna chik chidichin kongona chik nyadwen tukches te suk mamon pokerle nyadukan tatsamyana zotpa gongosa nokte mangpoji ngata ko nyab duchin dugna tene ngata ran chik stigma yongshashani tusla chinmo sonte mane koran chidishen yan chik spa chun chakan soshi yongchmana psychologically ngata sema asashan ogjusten ya tipe damni yan chik elushingena samala miji nyadduat na tene chidishen chik ngata tegula demo chuse ngata hago tangchesle demo chuse jawab tangchesle lokse nol zeseman ngana zoshena chunzani zabizum nol so tu chun sombasanga nga gobuchun utpinle gobuchun malamdona silzanang inoktene tisine TCV silzanang inok tene che gompaguna nga chazana inok mana gompaguna nga tichi shetavera chazana inok ta ko 상마고 상교사만 그래. 대나 거 줄고 가식 되네. 직 나 두고 지 다 가식 엄청나. 대군 가식 녀주지 엄청래. 되네. 직 마대선에 마 춘선이가 고부춘이 빌래. 고부춘 mara lots de nya putin tuition ma go chen mo itbin tenis tin nga sapik teenager gyure chinang ma thamo itbin nga toshes thamo itbin inang antishin chik o tishu sombasan tenis ma buji nya dot bile so nya ma bu dot bile tenis nya ma bu dot ten samnya na zo to gomsle tenis juk pe ka ta zena chu no spécialement des choses à orientant des médias tenis jeko mana ma ponya dun den job dans ces non 인난다 지금 중국당 justement 인난직 마다 미군에 너빠스kellad나 야만 보조나 되니 간달데 뭐주사 하고 당체스 때원난 국내 수는 년보만 봐 만부징마다 job 당전에 직 수는 년보 버들라는 년보 당는 벌레 대주마다 셈령하다 계속 지와 오고 사는래 셈에는 거 지와 되니스는 로컬 고 사는래 courage 로코 고 사는 소 되니 지지진 오 닌지고 사는래 잠닝지고 사는 대숙식마다 삼바 그랬더니 미시야 데모주세 작업당을 데모주세 작업당이라는 거래 데네티 작업 미성을 타다는래 때문에 증모 당생마다 대숙식이 지수한테는 준준한 거 지와리 몰라 줬다 미수찬 타다만 그래 하고 오 데모주세마다 직 유즈는 벌레 마다야 단지 가시기 되어서 말어봐 다직 조파제라지나 많이 찌쭈난 고르고스 두고시 되어 조파제만 그래 하고 되어 조파제만 그래 대숙전은 때니 마다 지리친 거랑 미세나 좀 마연간에 고마추치기라는 걸 하고 먹어. 고마추치기라는 걸. 대어서 빠져라만 걸. I'm just talking about the piece of English for English in I'm talking about people bullying, and because I've been writing a little bit about that, and just in our societies, it is becoming commonplace and accepted, to be bullied and to bully, which is not good. Which should not be accepted. Any kind of discrimination, any kind of abuse, any kind of bullying, I think racism and all that, these are all negative qualities of our societies, and it is not a personal problem, it is a societal problem. So that's why I decided to write about it, because when I was young, I also faced a lot of bullying, When I was in school, I only went up to 4th grade, and, I was quite small, and I was always small in stature, I wasn't a very tall kid, and I wasn't very muscular or very big. So they always saw me as like a vulnerable, weakly, like a weakling, and they used to pick on me, but they didn't know that I was ferocious, a little bit like a pit bull. So I used to fight back. I never, took any bullying, and otherwise I think, but it also still affected me a little bit. Afterwards, I got a little bit depressed when I was a teenager, because when I was a teenager, again, I was very skinny, very short, and I didn't have that much confidence, but I had some courage, but not that much confidence, and again, I faced some bullyings from people, trust me, and because I didn't have a very good safety net, like other Rinpoches. So that is okay, different Rinpoches, they have different situations and different upbringings, different circumstances. I grew up in a very different circumstance, than other Rinpoches. So it is okay. No, I'm not complaining about that. It's just that, I was exposed to lots of things that you also get exposed to. Everybody else goes through. I lived on the streets, I grew up on the streets when I was a teenager, I had to earn my own bread, I had to do a lot of work, I learned a lot of things, I traveled a lot, I met a lot of people. So at many points, sometimes you meet some people who keep repeatedly abusing you, intimidating you, because you seem vulnerable, like a easy target, right? And hence that's what's called bullying. So then it just, I try to respond as much as I could, but then sometimes it affects your mentality when you can't handle it. Right now, if somebody says something to me, I can handle it because I have the techniques of meditation. I have some understanding of the Buddha's teaching, so it is easier. But when I was younger, I could not handle it very well, so I would respond with my fist. But now, no, now it's like, I think I was just saying that, being patient doesn't mean, my opinion, being patient doesn't mean that you just have to, be a pushover, be a walkover, because then it destroys your confidence. Unless you become quite strong mentally with your practices, with meditation, with understanding, with studies, unless you become quite strong, you have to take care of yourself a little bit. You have to be skillful. That is why in Buddhism, we always mention, whatever we do, we have to do with the duality of wisdom and method. Yeah, wisdom and method. Because you can't always be, you can't always be 100% from your heart. You can't always be so soft. Sometimes you have to use your wisdom, your brain, a little bit 50-50, that's what I think. Some situations you have to be a little bit soft. Some situation you have to respond in a very skillful manner to resolve a situation, to resolve something. For example, when I travel to Delhi, sometimes I face some discrimination from some Indians, they discriminate me because of my robes. From far away, they see me, they say, "Oi, Dalai Lama, oi, Palani, oi, Lord Buddha, where are you going? Oi, Ganja." Ganja means like, guy with short hair. Yeah, what takla, they say that seriously. And when I go to sometimes, to the shops to buy something or whatever, yeah, and they just make some remarks, why Chinese and all that, and they don't know that politically, or geographically, we are part of India. They don't know that, we also eat Indian food. We speak Hindi. So there we follow Indian culture, But anyway, so during those periods, like, for example, if somebody keeps abusing you, if you keep quiet, they will keep doing it. And, that's not good. So what I usually do is, like, you talk to them. You just say, like, "Hello, how are you? Yeah, I'm from Ladakh, and Ladakh is part of India, and I speak fluent Hindi." And I say, "Bhaiya, kya haal hai?" And then they get so shocked. "Oh, you're not Chinese. You're not Japanese. Yeah, you speak Hindi so well. You're one of us, or whatever." And then I say, like, "Come on, let's have some coffee." And then after some time, when you start skillfully using methods to diffuse a situation, you can even become good friends with your enemies, with your bullies. So you need to have a good balance of compassion and wisdom. A bird cannot fly just with one wing. You cannot achieve liberation. Yeah, even in your daily life, even overall, from samsara, just with compassion. You don't achieve liberation just with wisdom. You have to go both with wisdom and compassion. Like two wings of a bird, right? If a bird only has one wing, it'll keep flying on this direction. If the bird has the right wing, it'll keep flying on that direction. But to achieve, to take off, to go straight, a bird has to flap both his wings. So you need to use wisdom and compassion, 50-50. Yeah, skillful methods and compassion. Your intention should never be because of hatred or anger or revenge. No, that goes against everything. That creates bad karma. If somebody is abusing you, bullying you, you have to expose that person. Yeah, you have to make them realize that what they're doing is wrong. That you're a human being, that you have feelings. And more often than not, that person, if he has a little bit of compassion or understanding, that person will realize. Yeah, this is pale. But the name chik parparanga teo shazanyang chik gare shazang pale special tachi miguri nyaduru pa yang chama chik sangus kunti sonte no pale tene shapra dakseno tene gyalun we Dalai Lama we ganja we takla chama o zerdu pale ta migun gashik ti parik hamago chama tene chik o Chinese zera so o Japanese zera so so o Chinese zera so zerdu pale tene chik ta shoju se zingwa tanani ku chipanle Zangosta tilbaino, Lama tilbaino, Nampa tilbaino, Champanamiruk, Chupchetunani, Zirinduanocle, Yaptindon, Gamitirinduanocle, Young Shangian, Don Richanocle, Mana, the Nildamushis has Mana, the Nichi by Yazistano, Aladasim, the Aladasim, Matan Gari zu Contoshino, Mana, the Neo Izukino, the Nizangos Pizugino, Maizugin, the Shaipi Taxino, Mana, the Neodasko, the Neko Garbo Halis to Polo, I cannot the Manicron, Garbo Corain to Matan Toxin to Mana, oh, the no, the story is Rupoli, the Mochus is Paradaspa, Mana, a situation would diffuse just Pali. How can a bombing Mata mess party, the Patakajic mess party, the Patame Paramiro, there's a short and a Dumzanopale, Mana, there's an Enkos was on the Pataka and a Starbook or Chatana. Dumzishimano pare teso shinti tuk bortanane tene dumzichinti tuk so tesango so gosaka son tel demochi sanga tasperatana hagujuna miguna haguru pale tene tene zawon gyurduk le tene sori zeru tene kyran isunga gonspasal ngaja hamagu mana tene shkyo tene changmi ki ngatas ga chatkhon chens pasan ba minushna pingsete ga tamaji kendin jeche itons pale ya zawo gyur for example tezuma chashi sele ta teoyang sek chile jinta na minata lamong chaman parpare mata ekdam shu amera chik chinki winki zespa chik palanjik zespa ganja takla zena shu ale so was ina ta chik isu meditation chain chos pa sabik sabik ha goen tene chik chamning chik mari understanding chik mari to yong rele chini chik tangi tu jus pen daksa mata situation kazu shigin nang tab na sharab niska mata tene nyampo last chona situation bagala chus solve churukle special na mata chik chik miji chi tong sing mata chik ngate chik problem ji na mana tio mata ning chik pe kane last chona tene nyana mi rukle mansa emotional gurte mansa nyamchung gurte nyana mi rukle mansa dapa nyampu last chona tene kamina gurte mingar tojmana mingan pa chalu kamina zere miro tezu gurtele iona is ka 50-50 mo khapchin mudukle tabna shirab zano pale special na so tabna shirab zare tab tene ko tabna shirab zaje tene ningje na ngata sik samajhdar te ngiska ta chik sangi shi sepiang panteno ngati mitse nang ko jaton pandu pale teo ngiska yushunole so parpara situation kashi na ko zapi ngata shning bachik mar yushu ko sanokle parpara situation kashi na ko alda pachik mar yushu ko sanokle parpara ngiska barabar yushu ko sanokle namina shning kuri ka dunna tene chik yang chik mansa nyamchung chik mansa gwe ka tene mitsangma zakan chik tezu gyutu pale tene so sora no tenokle so sora chik hamba yo mani misena hamba yo amano tene semba chun gyur pasan tene kumsin tene depression tene samba minda khara nokle ogo 다치 망살 다타냐 볼라스는 양직 때문에 민간 파기로 놓래 베니 가조 경직 파이다 가조는 때나자 만에 그런 자루기로 놓래 이유나 이유 니스가 유스 그것이 각자 누스 빨리 집아지기 남고 집에 쇼파직만 지세페 쇼파 니스칼 답나 되고 남 오르년데나 보마나 이거 맞다 50-50 다타나스니 니스카야래 딜난 디망 니스카젠다 niska yushushin demo do just ngari samba zokshin bele oya tene chimmi gole nyan mangpoji do adna ko demo chis ha gu chis khangchen mo no mana tene expose chis mata ji gina ngona ika da Instagram me ka nga follow chigar mangpoji glop tu mangpu dugle jawan mangpu dukpa tene ngina ngona college indo university indo ragging chis mang buli no pa gala ma no pale aldama sura mirakla bichik ragging chis tezane tokshis tu khashi tokshis nak ton dukpale sangma hampa chon yamano sangma chose jiga lance kachaji konte jichi banyen ju konte stes tangshi samano mano tezuk ragging chono tezon buli chono tene chikawo tene nyamchung du kawo tsek chupchade dukando tene kwa nya jak tu nya tundi son agane chips nyos kyong son megi nyos kyong son ni kolak chus son ni kitab kyong zera tsosla jak tene yokpo tsoso kole duspa kwang chang maris pa tene stini psychologically ngata izuk chanokle Burjang dan chidichin sema doshi sa sarchar pole junu mon pojiga te gona ta sta nen goshis man ok justemle hago zigmo sa justement zigmo masal principal ka shkot teacher gone ka shkot pamago na zesh itu ma izkuse ko zedu zerle hago shkilde mo juste hago na hago teno pamana o yetene hamogo ni chichen tene taps nyam polde mo juste hago chugo shen yale spera tamboy yajo That's enough talk. So we will cover some stanzas of Bodhicharya Avatara, the Patience chapter. So, 다다사 이 숙불에 쇼로가 결때나 드링이 되는 당하당 다시 줬당 스파상 이 준주부 티치스 마송 드링이 하나 다시 되는 쇼로까지 마탄 티치스 노블레 쇼로가 넘버 겹치 겨구바 소 오야 쇼로가 넘버 어찌됐든 신체 드링지 시그널 버갤릭 유딩미룩 중 차딘 두두팔레 테네 당에 슐로카나타 드링이 슐로카군 카찬자가 슐로카나 드링 슐로카군 테네 카삽짓 포즈나 테네 다웨 민두비 케이체발라 zuba군 바자나 소알레 테네 지가다 다우군라 직 노트파스칼테네 mana daugna no pa yongzone tene te wakaltes parchi de ona tene zupagum chis poses no so ta tena ketena tene deja shulokana ba kechu kepyat pa 88 pa yuin pinle kyukin dobe dongalde tumnan kyogar chishiyo kalten sempar gyushina tela phongwang chishiyo tele phongwang jinchi yu desale tene kaltes matan daujiga chidish no pa jinga tan dodadna daujiga chik shishi kyar chik matan chik no pa ji dodadna mana tene te matan no pa udubatna dau shishana dau guna dush zumuji yongchatna ko notpaji yongchatna matan chitobje kerle 장톱지 민켜서는 거래 같은 생벌 규신나 되니 같이 베니베니 도쿄 민켜 콜라콜라니 도쿄 민켜네 소 인나 같은 나때 위저스 semba 감상 사실은 게 더우나 직 영주만나 컴포지 차나 직 시차나 직 주모 용차나 직 영주만나 공만나 직 노트 바지 용차나 semba 감상 사실은 대상들이 탑시고 뭐 지게 없을 déjà 스탄자 넘버 게주게 벽받대 온빌레 다 게주 결국받대 오는 거야 다 대주게 되니 삼방만 바꾸칸보 대주게 삼방만 바꾸칸 미션마 노트 바지 유치세 삼바 수수랑 왔으면 그거 직 딱 보인지세 삼바 말결 mana o tene susse tattan guna chakpa chi se samba susse matat kan guna tene chik yang chik na chi se samba tizuk samba kan guna tene ngata nyum pa zano pale nyum pa klesha sanskrit na ko klesha zano pale nyum pa o tene english na ko defilement zano samba sukpo guna nyum pa zano hele tene nyum pa nyape tapa e tene ta yu example chi porte no chunju ishwale nya zumkan gune kazu churukle nya zumkan gune tene o chik chakyu 자꾸 훅경스나 냐 달래 고마 냐줌스나 자꾸 당선 냐줌미로 대선 30비로 담배도 제전에 냐줌자니 되네 자꾸 가도 갖고 부직지 보라는 그래 부직지 않고 렉치리 친구랑 칠치 소식 보라는 때니 냐오직 스타지나 오 부직지 노 삼사지나 그 키는 거 같네 그 자꾸 우스실로 사는 그래 30비로 미다 되네 그 그런 것들 버렸 되네 그 테나 그래 탁바 텐테나 소 되네 냐바고네 되네 텐테나 되네 그 지지 친구랑 싸다는 가시기는 가장 그런 때 담에가 메스콜 때 되네 프라이 주스나 보일 주스 가장 zosta는 그래 얘는 뭘 되면 미시스 건조 지gel고나 직 시켰잖니다 지gel 때 지당들이 야랑 유트다 자 가시에 용전래 호텔 가시가 찾아가 지gel을 통해서 얼마나 되면 미시스 sort가 가장 통했더니 저 신가 통래 지gel을 찾아니 호텔리가 찾아니 되네 의숙용도래 준비가 말 담아주기가 쉘이 숙만이 거랑 감체 뭐 용도래 쉘가 대냐군 보내미래 에쿠리엄잖아 아쿠리엄 냐버사 추당세 되는 데 모양도래 되는 거 라이트 스만데 뭐도 와 미니만 데코레이션 주시스피아 냐군이 저 버티 넣었으면래 손래 지로양데 보충충 speak to ben로 예죠 most of my followers here 니기들 인스타그램 땅에 망절하다 버려 어디신게 다 계시 오야 대백이드는 배바시라 유말이 인중 알아 배바이 니르빠 발라 배바지 아말라다르 하우사 나들다지 니리즈 망절하다 버려 어디신가 다 계시 보충충 오케이 송바상 테네 아까 타마 이즈쿠 지지진 실지는 거 냐보통도 벌레 딜도 멍치마나 테네 삼바다 유만에 거란 데코레이션 소시갈 데무직 예 보르틴도 삼레 스타즈네만 술레 스타즈네 테네 테난쿠가 부직 테난쿠가 테 롭스터즈 간 할레 테난코 롭스터즈 간 테난코 냐즈 간 테난코 테네 마네 거랑 셈션 민도 보르통도 벌레 테네 스타즈네 테군 케테나 커뮤니티 루글마다 그러나 미직 냐샤자체시나 미직이 되니 칼데스 냐자닌도나 되니 티루벌레 까오고서스테 되니 소소란테 칸에 송테 소소란테가 송테 주수고스 유고서자잖아 소 되니 코란 커뮤니티 칸에 지리첸 냐오차 핑세나 기잖아 게 되니 말로 소스탄도네 데 crabs 아니면 lobster 오 디소 디파도팔레 따테 속식이 높아 디파도글레 심샹 디파직 따테 속식 되니 냐바지 냐지 좀전에 고구마 차큐타노 케나조노 그나도 차큐 우숙세나 되니 수마노글레 데 타메가 지리첸 쭉 프라이 주스나 고조스타노 마나 되어서 뉴몽 냐베 따파이로 되니 다사 마땅 줌칸에 되니 냐바 조스포 냐 줌칸에 피셔맨 조스포 되니 치노잖아 뉴몽 파인 자노글레 하고 세미는 거 대중마다 더우나 너빠추시 삼바용나 세미는 거 대중마다 소소랑 지딱 보인지 삼바용나 할레 달락발도 더우나 너빠추시 삼바다 삼바지 쇼용체식 만빠추시 삼바지용나니 되니 뉴몽베 냐베 마다 이죽 지리친 거랑 줌칸 마땅 줌칸 속세 인자노글레 뉴몽베 냐베 따파이 칠바데니 칠바데니 미지제로레 칠바데니 때는 훅자노 빨레 뉴몽베 냐베 탑카네 이 훅 자꾸 조스번 칠바데니 미지비제로레 줍 미엔지세 주모 이렇게 하자노글레 이놈 빠직 슈레경노 뭐네 찬나 니디오 마노글레 마네테니 직 니마가다 셈바스킷 포요 마노글레 오데 커지진 부지산나가다 토디오 마노글레 마나 직 가다 주디 타마직 차낭 스파이 타마직 차낭 지스킷 부지 주엔사노 마르스킷 포요 마노글레 데니 케나 고 짝주다면 야고는 30비르미도 되나 조신자노 빨레 하고 뇽베 냐베 데니 이 짝규 조스pon가 단지 포아지는 데니 마네 거랑 마즈ut간에 줌요노 자노레 데 줌셈 냐르 폼파리양 냐르베 숨메 단생에 로레 데니 테베 줌간에 다 냐바지기 냐지 줌나니 mana o tene tene mala ko shakse sa chi shimane chang me kya ta nyom pe chakyu tene nyom pe nyape chakyu tang sang ta zoom na semen ko shona te tso sang ta nyom pa tso shikena dog na not pa chu chi samba tso shikena te zoom kan simchen sholoka number line number sumpe ka dole ge chu ger gupa te zoom semnyal te zoom kan simchen gun tene nyalwe nang ku ga tene pumpa nyalwe nang ko pumpa zena ta chi zambuchin mo tsos 하고 zambuchin mo tsos pompa yang nyalwe sungme dansenge lo tene tene ko nyalwe lashuka shumagune tene ngata skolches ngata stoches hali to takchote inzano 그렇게 쓰면 ngata nyompa 직 nyompe chakyu ngata zoom나 zesteno ya tene nyalwe nang ko sketches takchote inzesteno le nyalwe nang ko ngata skewani tene mani kono zot ngenji zumo ngata nyano zesteno ya le Yeah, you get your group 89 now in English. Oh, Taizo no pale. Oh, Taikani Ziskan Mampuduk, or Mampo Yuteno, then Kashi, Poskatman Kenamano, Kashi Ladaskat Kenamano, Kashi Englishman Kenamano, Kashi Hindi man Kenamano, Tajik Jitanga is Jikashis Adele. In a Tajir time, the Roman Economy, Yurmu Chapale, Mare, or Tandadilla Tain, Peba Mampo Yusare, Ani, Chicalore, Ladabada Yude, Pemambuere, Andigala, Injiki, Antipushing, Indiki Chipushing Mambu, Induzan Techi Calore, or Ki. 라디가 신다 테스 고르사레 오디시네 니 라다케다 치 인지기니 되기는 치 시고나 아스무스테기니만으로 가슴 테스 미망치 인지기 신기래 아니 베겐도 콜라고입니다 또 티셔도 되고 레라오르게 마시로 되긴지 근저 다지 베기지 부신이로 이나 되지 준주기 된데와디 김복군베 된데와디 지시다 되는 거 차상황 아주 부인의 약고 티셔 하모가 게임을 정하고 부이대 심하진 하고 라 어디 되는 거 양가시 상규일 디 발가르 무실라이데 콜라다비 디 글라마도 지치니 망고시에도 들어 콜라다길 파란지 니 빨아 배버들로 빨아 배버 뒤버 니 공바 배감르스 어서 니 빨아 배버 캡처로 장당에 기니시 암라라다 버 이두선에 제가 배봐 지가라다 봐 어서 파유페 마유라다 오양 그래서 마사모도 양지 콜라다기지 라다버지 부리에서면 지겨라지고 야 가시 테니스 뮤즈 테니메 so now in English once I'm snagged by this unbearably sharp fish hook caused by the fishermen of the mental afflictions so Shantideva is equating afflictions, mental afflictions like anger, jealousy, and ego, and all that to a fisherman. Yeah, to a fisherman. So once a fisherman, sharp, a fisherman, when they catch a fish, the hook is very sharp, and then it causes unbearable pain to the animal. Whatever animal is catching. Imagine if you get a hook in your mouth. Yeah, some people say that fishes don't have nervous system. Maybe they don't feel pain. I don't know. I don't believe that. I think they feel pain. Anyway, once I'm snagged by this unbearably sharp fish hook, which is caused by the fishermen of mental afflictions, anger and so on. Once you have this anger in your mind to harm your enemies, you have this jealousy that you don't want your enemies to do well. You want to create obstacles when your enemies are being benefited. When you have these kind of evil intentions, mental afflictions, negative emotions, I will certainly be stewed in the infernal cauldrons by the guardians of hell. So when a fisherman catches a fish, not all the fishermen cook their fish or kill the fish. Some fishermen, they do it for sport. For example, they catch the fish and then they release it. But sometimes fishermen, they catch the fish and then they cook it right next to them, like a barbecue, or they take them home and then they cook them. Yeah. So Shantideva was using that example. So once you're caught by the fishermen, by the unbearably sharp fish hook cast by the fishermen of mental afflictions, you will certainly, because of the bad karma that you accumulate by cultivating such bad thoughts about your enemies, we will certainly be stewed in the infernal cauldrons by the guardians of hell. It's a manifestation of our karma. So I said earlier, clear. No, I don't think there are physically people waiting in hell saying like, oh, Palgarin Bushi, you come, okay, I'm going to cook you. Oh, this knife, oh, this is for Palgarin Bushi, I'm going to cut him. This oil, this big cauldron, this big pot is for him, Palgarin Bushi. When he comes here, I'm going to cook him. No. It is all based on our confusing mind. When we accumulate so much bad karma, I think our mental state becomes very confused, very disturbed. So when we die, we see visions, or we feel the sensations of being cooked in cauldrons, being frozen to death. That's what we call hell and all these infernal realms. So this stanza is quite easy to understand. So basically, you should not have anger towards the enemies. You should not feel jealous when your enemies are, benefited. Yeah. Okay. Number 90. Shloka number Gupchule. Then Tuedan Tape Jimjuni, Sunam Minjur, Seminjur, Dato Minjur Nememi, Ludivaya Minjurosa. Oh, Tati is existing. Tayu Matai, subject Somaliptenocle. Subject Somaji Liptenok. Now you subject Puchinosana, Shingsele, Dalandagi Shilan Dubi Kichabala Zubagumba. So, Tene, Chikchi Chimkurang, Dupe, Magic Tokanbo, Magic Tobado, Tene Pachicho Miji, Magic Tobado, Miji, Stodado, Jalakando, Teotene Pachichis Pakazuzo Pagumushizin, Yana, Ni, Nintumpo, Zaozo Musheskangula, Chik, Stopatando, Miji Chik, Stodado, Miji Chik, Jalakitando, Tegunatene Pachichukan Bokazua, or Chik Zopagumushizin Zegambo, or Tescoro Justin, really, is subject Poketana, is thing, oh, yeah. Tuedan Tape Jimjuni, Sena Minjur, Sir Minjur, Dato Minjur, Nemimi, Ludivaya Minjur, oh Lolo. Tachi Miji Ngata Stodatna, Miji Ngatanchik, oh Stoches, Koma Tapudo, Koma Galadokiana, Chingata Manicoran, Skadachan Muchotane, Stochesna, Skadachan Muchochese, Tini Jimjos in a Chikushap Chuchis, honor, Anjana, Tizumatanchik, Tikil Demoltemo, Serkam Deve, Miguning Atanchik, Zeratna, Deve, Mata Sonam Duramanokle, Mata Sonam Yomanokle. Hawa, Chikipo Yonches and Mata Soxanam Saxaman of the Stenokle, Skipo Yonches, Soxanam Saxesepia, Susuran last Givajic Chogoshino, Palmani, Miji Mata Stote, Susanam Pelamanokle. Skipo Yonches Guji Gurtemano, Zesteno, Sonam Mingur, Sonam Maguranogle, so this Sonam Maguranogle, Miji Mata Stotna, Miji Mata Skadachin Mujana, Hawa, Sermingur, Matan Sam Jimuguramanokle. Hawa, Setun Kazugiranokle, Setun Gujespo, Mian not Pashkelin, Semshin not Pashkelin, Shamanpo, Zendun, Setun Giranokle, Setimo Gujespo, Semshin et Setartanches, Tam Ninjugumches, Hale, Zopagumches, or Tezuchan, the Netserimo Giranokle. Tezuchus the Giranomani, Hale, Sonamakazo Pelanozana, Givachuches now, Dipamichuches, Matasonam Pelanomani, Miguning Atachik Stote, Miguning Atachik Skadachan Muchosi, Goekastas Burna, Tezuchus the Nemata, Yang Namata Sonam Pelano, Namatang, Sermugi. No, Hagamogo, stands on a Gupchu, then land Gumi land is power. So, Dogs stop Minjur, not mean Minlo, dogs and a mazano, near stop on Pelamano, stop, Shushachimugilamano, near stop Pelamano, Zusposhantigulamo, Hagamogo, so physically Mashantigulamo, Miratamani, Polons of Zuzana, the Bukurama, Polons to get money, Polons Gilamanole. Power. The Lantos of Zuzano, Kajizanopa, Lantos and Poli, Monegoro, Lamakan, Lantos, she took mana, normally another Lanto, most she took Zenale, Money, I don't let the Lanto Horain, Monegoro, Polons in Zena, Tizumatachi, Manichi Tapujo Zenako, Lanto Gutamanole, Polons of Santi Gutamano, Hagamogo, Dasto Minu, Neme Mindo, then it's also stop on Gulamano, Zenokle. The nature is also Zumu now. Hale, Zumu, Jansamano, but Yanto Hosherino, Jansamana, Kotaman is Zumu, just make up. Hale, oh, quite Jansamano, Koi Zuno, Ko Losum Tansarcanino, Ko Chabum Pulsarcanino, Ko Sesantuzam Gompapura Scora Tansarcanino, Ko Coronavirus Yomano, Ko AIDS Yomano, Ko Cancer Yomano. Tezumatan cheese to Pajitana, cheese Katachan Muji Gurchuna, Tevijaste, Namata Zupo Shadiono, Namata Tene, Zumugun, Metanchano, not met min. Not Michespo, Mata Guramano, Zanoyele, stanza number Gupchu. So, you multiple. Tene, Lute Vaya Minguro, Tenematachi, Zusponchik, Mildichi Yudna, Mana, Chick, Gozasuri, Yuduchi, Doparishala, Domana, Chikmata Zuspo, Mildichi Yudna, they want Tenemikan Chamano, Uzan, Havamago, Migunis to chess, Panamano, Zanole, physically Matan Jam Panamano, Zanole, Mati Giang Jam Panamano, Zanole, Mana, or Tizushi system, so, or you'll do. 스테이단 탑에 림준이 순민주 세민주 다도민주 니미미 르데와 민주로 this stanza is very nice the honor of praise and fame right so if somebody praises you oh you're such a great guy you're so strong you look like a bull oh you're amazing you're so beautiful you look like a goddess oh my god you are like a rock nothing will happen to you a bull you're built like a mountain no nothing will happen to you if somebody praises you like that says things to you like that makes you famous and all they will not increase your merit your good karma to accumulate good karma you have to stop harming sentient beings others and you have to start helping them then only will you accumulate good karma not by praise of other people not by getting famous it will not increase merit or my span of life or it will not make your life long to have a long span of life of course it depends on our past karma but in this lifetime what we can do we can become vegetarians we can stop eating the flesh of animals and we have to do more releasing animals who are condemned to be butchered so that increases your span of life not by respect and fame and all that on praise that's what Shantideva was saying it will give me neither strength nor freedom from sickness even if somebody calls you a bull you won't get the strength of a bull even if somebody calls you like a mountain or whatever that you will never get sick no it will not give you freedom from sickness and it will also not provide any physical happiness so we should not be attached to fame and we should not get angry if somebody creates obstacles in us getting fame, in us getting respected. That's what Shantideva was saying. Ju. Begishin someone good to say. Gonda that is you malade. To the middle stage, Pegeda, Hindi, Lada, Chazananga, let is middle. 인도산들 급축고지 고식발레 되니까 다게 장든 시기나 tel라 장든 지시 이데 바신 되나니 genso 창야 땡기소 어스트나 다유한사픽 나타 지리치냐 junju jiwala korang tene desani nalinda gompe나 고죽스 파상 tene gompe직 tawanang 다 천사근 데스코르지 데조시 지금 좀만 술팀 순간 조시가 주스는 그래 다치 주스는 오जना tene kalte soso jamais 장돈 보시었나 소소랑의 장돈잖아 소소랑의 지 갈아 차치스 만나 소소랑의 dimbe 장돈 줍체스 뭐 하고하다니 다게 장돈 시기르나 텔라 장돈 지시열로 갈때 dimbe 결혼 받아야나 결혼지 파나노 결혼지 고시스 보이노 지간 뭐 갈때 결혼 dimbe 받아야나 테네 결혼 텔라 장돈 지시열로 다사 미군의 스토체스 미군의 마탄직 스카닥체 모초체스 미군의 마탈 데몰데 모즈체 테오 마탄직 할레 테오 마탄직 셈바 타체 차체스보 마네 셈바 차시스보 할라 셈바 타체스보 오 데니테오 미지 스토자네 미군의 마타 파체초나 할레 데니테오 쇼용체스보 테오 장돈 커서 주바노잖아 테오 장돈 지득잖아 그래 지판득잖아 디상알라 몰테미다 나가다 주스포 스톱 게사노 나가다 소남 펠라노 나가다 세르모 차노 나가다 테네 주문에 타라노 지판득잖아 그래 갈때 뎀비 코랑 코랑 장돈 지간 보셔서다니 다 갈때 테오저었다 이된 바신 되는 유행이라고나 삼세도 다미고 내가 갈때 스톱나 즉 셈바 타치라 하레 셈바 타치라 이데 이 셈바 이 볼데모처럼 마시 정말 셈바 잡빙할 데시라 바식 되나닝 데니티 숙도다나 셈바적 마스키 폰처럼 미군의 알 데모독잖아 미군의 알 랑토적 독잖아 미군의 아마네 거랑 간도마 쪽도 하모적 두잖아 셈바 타치라 마나 폴론속 두잖아 셈바 타치라 대적 삼나닝 데니유 지디친 다양 솔직히 순간 군이 조지 genso 차야 땡구소 데니직 르간 방치스 할레 르간 방치가 쇼고 다미로 주어스치 주어스치 상태네 그럼 조고시스노 제 주어스치 셈바직 타탄소 규트노 파타토 데네 곰파 두칸 군이 쪼초마노 술팅 순간 군이 쪼초마노 보조 라모지기나 보조 가라지는 쪼초마 테페지와레 몰테노 타칼스 그런 대숙데네 그런 도단다네 데네 그런 르겐타마 그런 집에 타면 제스테노클레 참 집에 타면 제스테노클레 데나 낭진라데네 티지디 그런 슈퍼민다 민다 주치스폰 집에 좀 제스테노클레 그 집한도 짱파나만 그래 르겐탄세 찬자스통 바차차세노 창동세 데네 죽스페는 그 부르자 카랍차차세노클레 하고 칼마르 속보차노클레 로아르 속보 신세 칼마는 짐바 인디게 또 속보차노클레 로아타 장치시 시그레트는 로아르 속보차노클레 so tene nangzing chanokle yula jingmo chanokle oh ya tene cheki zuspena ko mane nopa zumo minda yono pala to zestena pole kaltesh kana sembal decis gona tette ong che chume zestena tene ngata changpana miru pala oh yeah so now stanza number 91 if I were aware of what's good for me what value would I find in these things so people praising us, people respecting us, people making us famous and so on, somebody else. So if you're attached to that, and if you get angry when somebody creates an obstacles in you becoming respected, in you getting respect, in you becoming famous, if you have such attachment and aversion like that, then if I were aware of what's really good for me, what value would I find in these things? There is no value. Like Shantideva explained in stanza number 90, it will not increase your lifespan. It will not create good karma for you. It will not give you physical strength. It will not alleviate your physical sufferings and bring you physical happiness, right? What do you get? And if you think, if all I want is a little mental happiness, so if you think that because if somebody praises me, if somebody makes me famous, if somebody says good things to me, it makes me mentally happy. It makes me mentally happy, it gives me elation. Mental elation, mental happiness, then Ashantideva was saying, I should devote myself to gambling and drinking, etc. When you gamble, people, apparently, I've never gambled in my life. Yeah, so people, they seem to be mentally happy when they're gambling. Otherwise, why would they keep gambling? Obviously, it's also an addiction, so people are addicted to that. But the same alcohol, what benefit do you get from alcohol? Nothing. You get dehydration. You get kidney problems, you get liver problems, right? And you get lots of diseases because you get high, diabetes. No, not to mention your thinking capacity decreases. Yeah, you pick more, you become more aggressive or more depressive, or you become a maniac and start kissing everyone. What good is there? You literally just, you're just urinating your money if you resort to drinking for mental happiness, and if you resort to gambling for mental happiness, you're literally just throwing your money on the table, right? Because in gambling, the trick is that they always make you, I've never gambled, but from what I've heard, from what I've read, is that they always make you feel that you're winning. Yeah, they make you win a little bit. Yeah, so they give you a little bit of, like the donkey. If the donkey gets a taste of the carrot crunch, then you can really, the donkey knows the taste of the carrot, and it knows that there's a chance maybe I will be able to eat the carrot. But then you will always keep the carrot at length so that you can lead the donkey wherever you want. So same thing, we become donkeys when we are gambling, right? Especially in professional, commercial gambling establishments, I've seen it. Everything is designed to make you feel like you're winning. They give you a little bit of taste, crunch. After that, then lead you around, and then when you come out, your pocket's empty, and then you have financial problems. Yeah, maybe there are some people who win, but generally, I think that's what Shantideva was saying. So if you want mental pleasure, why don't you gamble? But it doesn't make you happy at all. Why don't you drink? It only brings you suffering. Stanza number kunis pa takpe tendu nortongshi dangi chane suezena sindu nam jichishik sa shina te kusula te ta chik skatak chen mocha chise pia pale taxpa zena di tapa di lo mor ya we pepe ya pegishin de tapa di jingbai tapa lo mor da oze de lama nyobe tapa dingyo jiji di lo more ozo tapa zena ni taxpa zena chik ya poska de na tapa zena tigo se chimale te ngi tal danses pale taxpa zena skatak chen mocha chise bazan kle Skatakchen muchachis, hagwa, me skatakchen muchachis, taspe tundu nortongshin. Mi kashige, tene skatakchen muchachis pia, taspe pia, tene nortangle. Enopa, tachik, skatakchen muchachis pechik, jimparik tankan joste, patirik botkan joste, karjirik tankan joste, tene chik posterik jarkan joste mana, tene chik, enopale, skatakchen muchachis, tasata you prime example buchinozana, politicians guninopale. Politicians, shitpagun echi churule, tene skatakchen muchana, migune vote matangle. Tepe some penish kyautle, karot le. Hala. Don tang fulanogle, don gyumin da jimpo politik dule, ngata zamishis, hare putkan jamons, chachesang merak, mana aldemon sara merak de inna ngatsor tenejik dongjin pojin politik dugle parti leadership pushki potantik dugle kalor kartik dugle tene penigo sazena peni tantik dugle o ya mana teino paskadak chen macha chizepia nortang seno pale takpe tendu nortong sing skadak chen macha chizepia norskar seno zanakle 당이 짱네 수에서나 되네 가시기니 되네 스카닥ችን 뭐 자치세피야 소소 장 지리 좀 거랑 치 쇼보다 잠깐 조시 좀 빨리 스카닥ችን 뭐 자치세피야 다음만에 거랑 오직 막직 당구즈나 되네 뭐 당아차 되네 만에 거랑 지금 막 당간 주스마나 막 당차간 조시 장당 차간 조시 증무다 차간 조시 되네 주피가 시즌에 콤마딱 코스 파워인핀 만나 콤마딱 코스 파워다 이 이제 담이거나 스타도 빨리 좀 스타도 미루고 진로 남지 지시사 대속에 되네 찍구네 할라 대속에 진주 대속에 되네 찍구네 지금 나타 스카닥실 뭐 지시서 베니타나 만나 지금 나타 미군이 지고 마타보도 팔란지도잖아 그마다 지주룩스 지판도래 되게니 짱맥이야 나스리 못 차노 스탄자는 모르고주 할라 나스리 못 차로글래 나죽스포직 지디실 zumomet 간 차로글래 오야 나 속선남 싹들래 대당 버터는 속선남 냠사노 하나 지 판독자는 생존남 지지시샤 되게 지주룩 상물다 이주 스카닥션 마차치세피아 소소 쇼포 장당전에 방체스 스카닥션 마차치세피아 베니스카치스 파티 당지 민네민네 조치스 하나 지주룩 상물래 되네 시티즈니 할래 시나테고 술라데 롤 하나 되네 시자네 시티스팅니 수 판독래 수시키 보용도래 수장시키 봉치스 하나 스파오직 되네 지금 막 당스 시자냐 하나 고타유 슌주이 지월리 카타 몰당스노 발레직 마다 practically sambatana직 미직 스파오직고 돈스나 mana ta ko yulapante indo mana ko yulapante indo yulpe sto danote inna kochi pandukle ko te jaste ngalvena ko michachi sin chamanokle skatakchen michachi sin jaste ngalvena ko michachi sin chamanokle ko skewastima chik milus topchese ko tezu gyuni magyuranokle 다른 거 지금 갖다 추스 집고 그 삼바타나닝 그 대숙식 지금 막다 잠깐 거니 미션 마사다는 그래 mana 미션 마사다노 소소 티포노 되네 쇼요노 되네 아마 티츠가노 이와 투바 포노 소소 자고 자무군 이거는 시에 토노 되네 쇼엄서 시야노 되네 마마카노 다와사다노 버테유 카타 이지발에 주 이족보 추스크리카 몰테노 그래 하고 뭐고 되네 그 시티zen 치판도잖아 그래 아스카닥스모 마스파오에노 딱포에노 그 치판을 통스칸 코나 치판도 그래 점파나만 없다 공연을 거기서는 록세오만 하나 지코 심벌기 버치시지 지그 질 시티는 거 치판도 그래 때문에 뭐 신나 되고 술라데 신나 되네 때 수업한도 수업기 본도 못해 그래 하고 대중만 단지 스카닥처럼 버치시 치판도 그래 베니스키아상 치판도 그래 할래 베니스키아상 그 점판지심에 결례지 셈바자빅 지금 단지 지디진 거랑 지기 다치시 소심만이 치판도 그래 시티스는 또 그대로 마마 반 말잖아 봐야. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Stanza number 92. If for the sake of fame, I give away my wealth or get some people to become famous, you know, I mean, some people actually genuinely, they donate to charities, they distribute their wealth really well. And those people, yeah, they become famous and they deserve to become famous. But some, for the sake of fame, not for the sake of helping others, not for the sake of eliminating poverty or disease or whatever, or they pretend to, they actually distribute their wealth, they give away their wealth, they throw lavish parties, to become famous. Like I think a prime candidate for this example would be politicians, right? They have to become famous. If the politician becomes famous, they have more chances of getting votes. Right? Because they'll be more visible to the public, more memorable to the public if they're more famous. So they, distribute a lot of wealth, throw away a lot of money. And people praise them. Oh, he's so good. Yeah, he's so generous and so on. But what good does it do to them? What actual good does it belong to them? Going back to stanza number 90, does it prolong their life? No. Does it increase their marriage? No. Does it prevent them from sickness like coronavirus? No. Yeah. It won't even prevent them from diarrhea or headache. Forget about coronavirus. So what does it actually bring help? What actual help does it bring? Nothing. Or like this is, Shantideva was speaking purely in terms as a Buddhist. So he's saying all those who get themselves killed. For example, fighting in a ring, or I don't know, warfare and all that. Or they think me against 100, I'll become famous, and then they kill a lot of people. What good does it do? You're dead, right? So people will praise you because you managed to get 100 people and you're only one. But what actual good does it do to themselves? Nothing. Once I've died, to whom will they give pleasure? Once these people have died, whom will they, what benefit does it bring? All this fame and, respect, nothing. It's all in the mind. It's all an illusion. That's what Shantideva was trying to say. There is no actual physical benefit that you can, come up with. Nothing. So, read the commentary which I've posted, the English one. It'll help you a lot. Yajo, tene tateo song, tatene testing nga tayo sukchunle, chosa pixelin, tene diring nga tayang pardu soldebna. Tene pardu soldebna, onsa sangis pointi yut, tingis ka pixelin. So today, the prayers that we will do will be the Bardo prayer and rebirth in Sukhavati Devachan prayer, yeah? Prayer for rebirth in Devachan. Bardo prayer and the prayer for rebirth in Devachan. So I hope everybody has it ready. I think from tomorrow onwards we may have to go 6 stanzas every day, otherwise we won't finish it. Mana thore nikal chikchana ngatai dasa jiwale zu porchunjuk po zo pelio te ketna sholo tuk tuk tang sokle chezan yu sar misal pole shakma ta diring chirok le diring sespa ngi tuk ngi shul dun jgad gu namga jamosha lu semerak tenetarung sholo ka panchik yut te yang ta shawa sholo ka tuk tuk tsukrik dingi sten ba tsam lus to khale. So I will see later how much is left. So I think we have to increase the count of shlokas. Anyway, I will stop this live stream because Instagram only allows for 1 hour, and I will restart it again. So join me back. We will do the Bardo prayer for ourselves, for all sentient beings. Yeah, all those who are losing their lives due to the coronavirus and due to so many unfortunate cases. Hala. Then that's a young attention or live stream when you off just an on chin and you know someone lost a skirt. Then I am Bardo Soldebna. You transcan when you mix out just a Bardo Soldebna is a concert. Be right back.